Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. Today, before I start the reading, I don't know, when I was just putting these cards, I just felt to tell you all, I felt guided to tell you all one small thing to do today, even in the morning or in the evening. And if you don't have it, then procure it and do it tomorrow also, it's completely fine. Take a small plate and keep a white candle in the center or a black candle. I would suggest if you can keep a black candle, if not, at least a white candle, and surround it with rock salt in the first layer, and the second layer surround it with the black sesame seeds and burn it. I feel some of you who keep following me in these readings are undergoing some pressure from inside, which you're not able to state it out. So it is better that you do this and you let me know how you felt. So now sorry, I had to put a pause. So let's now get back to the readings. So let's see the High Priestess card. Now that's a beautiful card. Here I feel the day is going to be blissful and you're going to be happy that you were able to achieve whatever you wanted, and you will also feel that okay, I'm successful, and I'm just in awe with the situation. The next card which I had taken out was the Eight of Wands. Now, overall, when I see both these cards in a reading, I feel you're going to soar higher, because even the wands are going upwards. If you see these wands, they are going upwards, and the female here is also soaring higher. So, overall, I feel the day is going to bring in a lot of success, a lot of positive vibes, and if you're going to start any work or any business, then be rest assured that it is going to be profitable. If you're going to speak for some work for your employment, then it will be in your favor. If you're starting any new project, then it will also be in your favor. And if you're going to do something out of the box for your personal life, that also is going to be good. Today I would suggest to wear something in golden yellow or yellow. That is what I feel will work beautifully on your solar plexus, and I have already said what tip you should do. But again, if possible, in the morning, do the Surya Mudra, so that you will be energetic and you will face the whole day in a positive way, and you will get the most best results for the day. Have a beautiful and a blessed day.